How to fix white print screen showing in Google Chrome? First of all, open setting. Click this three dot, open setting, click about Chrome and update Chrome. Click reset setting, click reset setting to original. Now click reset setting, open privacy and security. Delete browsing data and select all time. Advanced, select all time. Now click delete data. Click third party cookies and block all third party cookies. Now close your computer and restart. If the problem is not solved yet, then uninstall Google Chrome, then reinstall Chrome.